At night, the whole area transforms.
Entering Ramadan,
Ini ya.
I'm always amazed how purifying is the
Wah,
anticipation
comel
of
juga,
the
guys.
fasting months itself.
Pakai hijab dia.
It's not a bazaar. It's a trap. Because you go there like, okay, I'm gonna buy one thing only. You come back with 5 different plastic bags.
Super
Nah,
excited. I'm sure you are too. And
fokus
I'm really
guys,
trying some
tolong
Ramadan
fokus
food.
ya.
I'm super excited because this year I'm gonna try fasting for Ramadan, so I'm so excited to eat all the delicious food. I'm gonna start with the only salty thing I have, which is a curry puff.
Kari pap tuh. Waduh. Guys, ini tolong fokus ya. Yo, what's up, Re? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hai, Re. Jumpa lagi ada saya di sini. Wah, lonjong salam, lonjong. Iya. Apa kabar kawan-kawan? Semoga semua dalam kondisi yang sehat, Re ya. Amin ya rabbal alamin. So, guys, macam mana puasa kalian? Apakah lancar ya? Semoga tidak ponteng ya. Boleh full sampai nanti ketika jumpa di hari raya. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Oke, guys, satu video dari Ria Oktorina sepertinya cukup menarik, dan karena ini memang ada yang request beberapa kawan-kawan dari di Instagram, guys ya. Ramadan dekat Malaysia ini berbeda. Sampai-sampai orang luar negara nih akui terjebak. Wah, terjebak dalam hal apa ini? Hal ini yang buat Malaysia terasa lebih istimewa. Oke, sampai menjadi perbualan para turis-turis, guys ya. Oke lah, kita akan coba nonton, guys, ya, bersama-sama seperti apa videonya. Tapi ya seperti biasanya, guys, hanya sekedar mengingatkan untuk kawan-kawan yang mungkin belum sholat, jangan lupa sholat dulu ya. Selain link shopping yang ada di video ini, saya tahu mungkin kalian berminat untuk shopping, boleh kalian check out sekarang juga. Ria Oktorina, kita coba tonton, guys. Oke.
Halo semuanya, selamat datang
Halo.
di channel Ria Oktarina.
Oke.
Belakangan ini, banyak pelancong asing yang sudah pernah merasakan bulan Ramadan di beberapa negara, dari Timur Tengah sampai Asia Selatan. Tapi yang menarik, ramai dari mereka justru bilang kalau Ramadan di Malaysia itu terasa sangat berbeza. Bukan sekedar suasananya yang meriah, tapi ada rasa hangat dan kebersamaan yang susah dijelaskan. Mereka cerita, suasana di kota seperti Kuala Lumpur saat Ramadan terasa hidup tapi tetap tertib. Masjid penuh, lampu-lampu indah menghiasi jalanan, dan yang paling mereka kagumi adalah bagaimana masyarakatnya menyambut bulan suci ini dengan penuh rasa hormat dan kebersamaan. Banyak yang bilang, Ramadan di Malaysia terasa spesial, bukan hanya karena ibadahnya, tapi karena suasananya menyentuh hati. Dan itu yang bikin Malaysia jadi bahan perbincangan hangat di kalangan turis dunia.
As a foreigner entering Ramadan,
Ini ya.
I'm always amazed how purifying is the anticipation
comel
of
juga,
the
guys.
fasting months itself.
Pakai hijab dia.
I'm meeting my ustaza who has been guiding me in my Islamic journey. We meet at one of the biggest Islamic universities in the world,
Wow, Lafia.
Gombak, Malaysia. The day begins with a coffee and a quiet conversation about intentions for Ramadan. I take notes eagerly. Every word from my ustaza feels like it carries the weight of gold. Then we head to the library where Dr. Jana helps me select appropriate reading. Indeed, in Malaysia, Islam is taught with inspiration, and I appreciate this gentle way to welcome Ramadan.
First day of Ramadan
Maaf
done
tadi.
in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. I'm French, living in Kuala Lumpur. This is my first Ramadan. Little headache today, but it was okay. I'm proud. It was easy. I will share every day. Follow me if you want, even if you don't fast. Let's do this together.
Okay, Malaysia, I'm trying to understand. Ash Wednesday,
Black Mamba
Chinese New
lagi.
Year, and Ramadan in the same week. Is that normal?
I have been a Muslim for 50 years,
And out of them, how many years in Malaysia?
roughly under 2 years.
What is your piece of advice for fresh rebirths for the upcoming Ramadan?
Remember, we're all the same. Each one of us has challenges, but yet we all have different fingerprints. We all experience things differently. So your Ramadan, our Ramadan will be unique to each one of us.
Fasting
Remember
in
that
Islam.
in the Amal Suriyah, with difficulty there's ease. In the restriction of Ramadan itself, you are gaining light in your heart and transformation. And that will beam from you, and people will notice it, you will notice it, and the gifts will come from places you don't know. and Allah loves you. And
Oh, dia juga
you have nothing
Islam
other
guys
than
ini guys.
Goodness within you and count on it.
Wow, time flies fast. I remember back in 2024 when I first came in from America, to Malaysia.
Oke.
I caught the last few days of the fasting month of Ramadan.
Oke.
And one night I went to the mamak and it was almost time to eat, to break the fast in Malaysia. And I went to the mamak. It was full of people. And it was a little bit, I guess, before the time to eat. Everyone is quiet. Wow. It did not feel like a restaurant. It felt like a library vibes. Everyone just looking and staring at their watch, counting the seconds. And the second it was time to eat, boom! It went from library vibes to a documentary.
Humans versus food.
And the bazaar.
Bazaar.
Ramadan bazaar in Malaysia is not a bazaar. It's a trap! Because you go there like, okay, I'm gonna buy one thing only. You come back with 5 different plastic bags full of fruit. And somehow you come back home and you go like, geez, there's one thing missing. You're still missing some items. But real talk, Malaysia, respect, the patience, the discipline, very strong. So to everyone fasting, Salamat Ramadan.
Selamat
It's peaceful,
Ramadan.
strong, and full of beautiful moments in this holy month.
Wih.
I bet Teh Tarik
Teh
tastes
Tarik.
really good that time of month. Till next time, this is Mr. T.
Mr.
Happy
T.
Ramadan again. Much love.
What are the top 3
Oke.
things you love about Malaysia?
First, the people, of course, the
Nah,
weather,
lagi nih.
and the diversity. In France, religious practice is very private. Whether you're
Ooh.
Christian or Muslim, it's the same. You have to practice at home. But here in Malaysia, Islam is kind of everywhere, and it's super easy to practice. The restaurants, the surau everywhere. You can pray anytime. And there's also that sense of belonging with the people, which is pretty nice.
Have you already spent a Ramadan here last year?
Yes.
But what were the best parts of it?
The buffet, Mandarin Oriental,
Itu ternyata.
local restaurants,
Local
ordering at
restoran.
home. I did pretty much everything.
Yang bikin
Oke.
para turis asing semakin kagum adalah soal toleransi. Mereka melihat sendiri bagaimana bulan suci ini bukan hanya dirayakan oleh satu kaum saja.
Ya.
Memang mayoritas penduduknya Melayu dan Muslim, tapi bangsa Cina dan India juga ikut memeriahkan suasana.
Betul.
Di banyak tempat, kita bisa lihat masyarakat non-Muslim menghormati yang berpuasa. Bahkan ada yang ikut membantu, ikut meramaikan bazar, dan ikut menjaga suasana tetap harmonis. Buat turis asing, ini pemandangan yang luar biasa. Mereka bilang, di beberapa negara lain, mungkin Ramadan terasa sakral dan khusyuk. Tapi di Malaysia ada kombinasi unik antara religius, budaya, dan keharmonian masyarakat majemuk. Itu yang buat mereka rasa pengalaman di sini beda. Tak hanya itu, bazar Ramadan Malaysia juga jadi daya
Ya,
tarik
bazar
besar.
nih, daya tariknya
Aneka makanan
nih.
tradisional, kue muih warna-warni, minuman
Betul.
segar, semuanya tersusun rapi dan menggoda. Ramai pelancong
Boleh
luar
hilaf
negara
nih.
teruja melihat betapa meriahnya suasana menjelang berbuka puasa. Banyak yang akhirnya jatuh cinta dengan budaya kuliner Malaysia.
Ramadan is almost here. I'm super
Nah,
excited. I'm sure you are too. And
Fokus
I'm gonna be
guys,
trying some
tolong
Ramadan
fokus
food.
ya.
I'm super excited because this year I'm gonna try fasting for Ramadan, so I'm so excited to eat all the delicious food. I'm gonna start with the only salty thing I have, which is a curry puff.
Kari pap tuh. Waduh. Guys, ini tolong fokus ya.
I actually really like curry puffs. I give this like a 9 out of 10.
Oh, 9 dari 10. Ngapain kita nonton orang makan?
This looks so interesting. I've never tried it before. It's
Apa ini?
called angku kue. I hope I'm pronouncing it properly, although I'm not. I want to see if there's something inside or not. That was very unsatisfying. But there is something inside though.
Oke, dia review nih semua makanan dekat Malaysia nih guys, ya. Lapar tak guys?
Feel about this one.
Lapar tak? Hah?
It's honestly kind of just meh. Like, I'm not a huge fan. I don't know what's inside, if it's like a corn type of filling or not. It's yellow, so maybe. I would give this like a 6 out of 10. I like the outer layer, but I'm not a huge fan of the filling. They were
gak terlalu
so
suka dia.
generous with this piece. Let me show you how big it is.
Nah, sekarang apa nih?
They were so
Oh,
generous. It's so crazy.
Apa ini?
This is seri muka, and I think it's
Sari muka.
pandan and
Sari
sticky
muka.
rice, and I love both of those.
Oke.
Oh, such a big bite. This one is really interesting because this part is salty and this part is sweet. I don't know how I feel about salty rice together with sweet. I'm gonna try them separately. Yeah, it's salty.
Guys.
I love the green part. It together, I'm giving it a 7 out of 10. However, separately, I give this part a 9.5 out of 10. I love the pandan. Wait, I'm gonna do something forbidden. This part is the pandan part and it's delicious.
Oke, aku suka yang bagian-bagian seperti ini guys ya.
I'm to stop.
Cuci mata lah ya. Buat kalian jangan cuci mata
This is
dulu.
the final one and it looks so good. It's called a kue sagu.
Kue sagu.
It smells really nice.
Baunya sangat sedap. Oke.
I love this one. It's super soft.
Soft.
The middle is, I think, what's in this
Kenyal-kenyal.
one. I think it's the same filling. But I love the sides and I like the middle in this thing. It's really good. I give this an 8.5 out of 10. Okay, I know I'm breaking like the rules here, but I want to try just the pink one. I don't really understand what flavor it is, but it's good. I want to try the green one also.
Kita soalnya nih ngapain kita nonton orang makan guys? Buat lapar pula. Dan nggak fokus buat lapar pula nih guys.
Same flavor. These were very good, but you know what is the best? Onde onde. I love onde onde, and I'm really excited to have it for Ramadan.
Day one of Ramadan.
Nah, ini.
I'm starting in Kuala Lumpur.
Putrajaya nih.
I've always wondered what Ramadan is like in different countries around the world, and everyone kept telling me KL is one of the best places to experience it, so I had to see it for myself. From my first day, I visited Jamek Masjid, the oldest mosque in the city, built in 1909. The architecture is stunning, but what stands out is the community. In Malaysia, every mosque offers free iftar, and people from all walks of life come together to break their fast. Just a 2-minute walk away is Merdeka Square, and this place gets packed.
Ya. Ini di Padang Putrajaya nih.
Travelers like me, everyone sets up on the grass, grabbing food from the street vendors.
Air
and waiting
balang.
for Maghrib. While waiting around to ask some locals, what does Ramadan mean to you?
It's mean everything for me, man.
One time, you get this time. This year, do the best for this Ramadan.
And in the moment the call to prayer echoes through the city, everyone eats at the same time. It's such a beautiful moment.
Berbuka. Ya.
At night, the whole area transforms. The mosque glows, the river lights up, and the atmosphere is just unreal. This Ramadan, I'm challenging myself to pray in a different mosque every night around different countries. And starting in KL's oldest mosque felt like the perfect beginning. I can already tell Ramadan as a traveler is going to be something special. Can't wait to take you along for day 2.
I'm here today at a food bazaar on night 1 of Ramadan. As you can see, it is extremely busy. Let's show you all around.
Nah guys, nih ya sampai para turis-turis Mat Saleh juga ikut menikmati ya bazar Ramadan.
Hello.
Air balang, wah habis tuh guys. Oke. Roti John.
Just check this out. This angle
Di mana ini ya?
is crazy. You can see how many tents there are, how many stations there are to buy food.
Yeah.
There's music playing, there's people playing. They haven't eaten, they haven't drunk anything, and they're all in such a good mood. The Malaysian people, the Malaysian culture, I have so much respect for. This country is amazing.
Cobain bro, lu fasting.
Menariknya lagi, sebagian turis mengatakan bahwa Ramadan di Malaysia adalah yang terbaik yang pernah mereka rasakan. Bukan dalam arti membandingkan secara negatif dengan negara lain, tapi karena pengalaman yang mereka dapat di sini terasa lengkap. Ada suasana ibadah yang kuat, ada semangat kebersamaan lintas kaum, ada kemeriahan bazar, dan ada rasa aman serta nyaman. Semua itu menyatu jadi satu pengalaman yang berkesan. Malaysia memang berbeza, bukan hanya karena tradisinya, tapi karena masyarakatnya yang tahu bagaimana menjaga harmoni di tengah keberagaman. Ramadan di sini bukan cuma soal menahan lapar dan dahaga, tapi juga tentang mempererat hubungan sesama manusia. Dan mungkin inilah yang buat ramai orang luar negara bukan sekedar datang berkunjung, tapi benar-benar jatuh hati. Malaysia bukan hanya destinasi wisata, tapi pengalaman yang menyentuh jiwa.
Itulah guys ya, satu video dari Ria Oktorina. Guys, sampai sekarang ini aku belum pernah merasai ya macam mana suasana Ramadan dekat Malaysia sana kan guys ya. So itulah guys ya, kenapa berbeda ya dari yang lain guys. Inilah, kalau di Malaysia itu saya rasa bazar Ramadan itu terbuka ya kepada semua kaum dan agama guys ya. Jadi tidak perlu takut makanan habis, tak perlu berebut, insya Allah makanan senantiasa ada, baik yang dijual atau infak ya, mungkin dari pertubuhan tertentu maupun orang persorangan. Biasanya seperti itu ya. Itulah guys, mantap juga. Jadi semua orang bisa meraihkan Ramadan ini ya, baik itu kehadiran pelancong yang ingin merasai suasana Ramadan yang ada dekat Malaysia. So itulah guys ya, video dari Ria Oktorina. Macam mana guys? Boleh komen di ruang komentar ya Allah. Oke guys, sepertinya cukup sudah untuk video kita kali ini guys ya. Saya minta maaf apabila mungkin kalau ada kesalahan kata-kata baik dari awal video sampai akhir video. Seperti biasanya kalau ada video yang menarik yang mungkin boleh kita ulas sama-sama, silakan kirim link videonya di DM Instagram. Dan akhirnya saya Wak Lonjong pamit dulu guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Semoga Allah melindungi kita semua. Amin ya rabbal alamin. See you. Bye bye.